everybody. We're going to do a radial symmetry project today for our third art challenge. So what we're gonna need today is a paper, something to write or draw with. So I have a pencil, a marker. I'm gonna be using a ruler, pair of scissors, and something to color with. So I'm gonna use markers. Okay, for this project, we really want our paper to be a perfect square. So I have a rectangular paper. You can do that with a ruler by measuring a perfect square, or if you want to, you can fold your paper and draw a line and then cut that. Either way, if you don't have a ruler, then you can fold your paper. I'm going to measure. So if my paper is 8.5 inches wide, then I need it to be 8.5 inches tall. So I'm gonna mark 8.5 on this side, 8.5 on this side, and then I'm gonna connect those two dashes with a straight line. And then I will cut that out. Okay, so now what we want to do is we're going to draw sort of a big star. To do that, I'm going to measure since I have my ruler, but if you don't have a ruler, again, you can fold. You can fold it in half this way, you can fold it in half the other way, and then you can fold your corners both ways. But because I have a ruler, I'm going to go ahead and measure. So if my paper is 8.5 inches, then I'm gonna need to measure 4.25 inches. Your math teachers will love this project because you're getting your math in today. So once I have those dashes that mark my center from top to bottom, I'm gonna connect those with a line. Same thing on the other way. You might want your mom or dad to help you with this step if you're having a little trouble. And then the last part's easy because all we're gonna do is go from corner to corner and make a big X. All right, so when you're finished, it should look like a big star. All right, so I have put another piece of paper underneath my project because I'm gonna go ahead and move to my permanent marker. So we're gonna start by outlining what we've already done with marker. So I'm gonna use my ruler for a straight edge. You can use anything that's a straight edge. Doesn't have to be a ruler. It can be the side of a notebook or a folder. Okay, we are now ready to start our radial symmetry designs. So radial means round and symmetry means a mirror image or the same. So what we want to do is have it be the same all the way around. So that's where we get radial symmetry from. So what we want to do is we want to start with a small design in each section, and our goal is to make that design the same all the way around. So if I start with a flower petal shape like that in this box, I want to repeat it the same size and shape in every box, all the way around. Then I'm going to continue designing and doing the same thing in each section all the way around. Once you have finished doing your design all the way around and it's filling your paper, you are ready to add color. I'm going to use markers today, but you can use whatever's available to you, whether it's crayons or colored pencils, anything really. There we have our radial symmetry design. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope that you'll follow along. And if you do, please post your pictures in the comments.